This is today's job. It's my wife's Mercedes. It has a little bit of an issue. Smashed. So I have bought two new lights. I couldn't seem to find just one by itself, so buy them in a pair. It didn't cost much. I think it was like $33 for a pair of these lights. Now, there are various methods people use to try and get these out. One method is to turn the wheel, and the reason for that is you need to get the shield off here to get behind the light. That seems a bloody awkward way to do it to me. Turn the wheel, undo this side, go. Turn it the other way, go the other side, do it. Yeah. I'm going to take the wheels off, make my life a lot easier. And then I'll show you removing of the shield and removal of the light. Now, what you need to do is remove that plastic clip in there, then remove these 10mm bolts, nuts, and take off this inner wheel arch cover. So let me get on with that and get those removed. All right, now that we've got the shield out of the way, you can see the back of the light, which has got to come out. Do note that these two here, they're actually 8mm bolts, whereas the rest of the plastic nuts are 10mm. Now, in order to get this out, you can twist the bulb and pull it out, or squeeze these tabs to drop the electrical connection off. The new one comes already with a bulb in it. I moved this just now and managed to separate this. That is not always easy. You might want to just undo the bulb and pull it out and just do it, shall we say, over here, which is what I did. And do note, you mustn't touch these bulbs with your greasy little paws, otherwise you cause them to burn out quicker. But as I mentioned, the new one does already have a bulb in it. It's actually an H11, and what does it say there? Yeah, H11. So now we need to undo these nuts here, or screws should I say, and they are a T25. So let me get that done. Now, note on the back there are 1, 2, and 3 screws that have to come out. You don't have to take this off. This is the adjuster for adjusting the light, and that is actually accessed through a hole in the front if you really want to mess with it. This one here, yeah, I mean that took one hell of a beating. So, whoops. Now I'm going to do is put this one in, stick it in the hole. So this is what we'll do. We'll just stick it in the hole, get our trusty screws that we've taken out, line it up on that pin there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed, it's not easy. See, there's a pin there. Stay, little doggy. Okay, we got that started. Hopefully it'll let me do this. It moved. That's okay. Let me put the camera down and finish this 1 second. And there it is, completed, installed and connected. All that is left for me to do now is to put this plastic cover back on. Oh, do note the spray there. It's just some silicone lubricant. It makes the connection easier to go in, and then if it's got to come out later on, it'll make it easier. A little messy. I'll give that a bit of a wipe before I put everything back together. So there we go. That's the end of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's useful to you. Now the next task is to replace this one. All right. Good night. Hope you enjoyed this. Please do the usual. Like, comment, subscribe. ding the dong so that you get notified when I put some more crap out there. Now get out in that garage and do some shit.